Hello, in this video I want to show you how to gather resources in Minecraft Legends. And to do this, first thing is to pick which resource you want to gather. In this case we have only wood and stone, and if you want to add more and have more available, click on R and move them to your hotbar right here. Then when you're ready, pick the resource. In this case we're going for a stone. Hold the right click and make sure that some stone deposit is visible in the square that we're placing, and click on the left. Then the resource gathering will begin, and in the bottom left corner you can see how much stone will be gathering. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.